Hey food lovers, welcome back to Goldy Lynda's world. Today I'm showing you how to make the perfect fried rice that's fast, flavorful and absolutely irresistible. You guys, I'm not even joking. This fried rice right here, it's about to take over your kitchen better than any party jollof. Let's find out how. Let's start with our ingredients. It's simple, it's fresh and it's straight to the point. We've got some carrots chopped, green beans, peas, bell peppers that elevates the taste, atarodo, onions, and what have you. So first up, let's heat up some oil and butter in a pot, and we add your diced onions and saute it till fragrance. Then you add in your washed rice. You can parboil your rice as well. You wash in your washed rice, then you stir it until it's fried, until it brings out the golden brown. That's it for the rice. You fry it and you add in your water. You add in your seasoning cubes, your salt, pepper for a little heat, ground pepper, and you stir it up together and cover your pot and allow it to cook for a while. So after it might have cooked, you come back to it, you cover it up, you open it, you stir it up, and you cover it with your foil paper to trap the heat. Then after which you add your oil into a pan to fry your veggies. So if you have not fried your meat, you fry your meat first like you see me do before you fry your veggies. We fried everything starting from the green beans because it's a bit hard. You fry it first for about a minute, then you go in with your peas, your bell peppers to bring out that flavor. Then you add in your carrots. The carrots should be the last thing you add. Then you add in your seasoning cubes, your salt, and thyme and curry. Then you stir fry them until they are vibrant and just tender. You see this fried rice here? It's golden, it's savory and packed with flavor. This is not a regular fried rice, as you can see. This is the kind of fried rice people fight for at the party. Don't joke with this recipe, lovelies. Try this recipe and tell me if it doesn't slap harder than jollof rice. You guys, this fried rice right here, it's about to take over your kitchen better than party jollof. You see? So lovelies, don't forget to try this recipe and tell me if it doesn't slap harder than jollof. Don't forget to like, drop a comment and hit that subscribe button for more recipe that's never miss. Bye.